Welcome back to FFL Boss Tutorials. Today we're going to be covering the Kiosk Mode. Kiosk Mode is a digitized 4473 that is designed specifically for your customers to be able to fill out the 4473 purchase form in a digital format. The way to do this is by clicking on Kiosk Mode either from up here at the Quick Access menu or from over here at the main navigation side. Let's go ahead and click on Kiosk Mode. Once you've clicked on Kiosk Mode, you will need to type in a PIN or a code. This PIN allows for Kiosk Mode to be started, and it does not allow your customers to get out of Kiosk Mode and into your main system. The code that you choose is up to you. Just remember it. Let's go ahead and lock the device. Once you've locked the device, this is what the customer will see. We recommend using a laptop with a touchscreen such as a Google Chromebook, which is a very low-cost, effective device that will allow you to use the Kiosk Mode with a keyboard separate to the device. You can use tablets, but the problem that you'll run into with tablets is that when you use the keyboard, it tends to take up a good 1/3 to 1/2 of the screen when you do so. Now that you've gone into Kiosk Mode and this is being presented to the customer will then fill out all of this information. I'm going to go ahead and pull in an existing customer for demonstration purposes. From your My Customers list, you can go to your list of customers and select one and press Send to Kiosk. What this will do is it'll send it to the Kiosk Editing 4473s. Now from the kiosk, let's get back into it. You will simply click Edit Previous and it'll pull in the customer's information. Now that the customer has filled in their information, they will need to answer the questions. Once they've answered the questions, the very last thing that they will need to do is make sure that they sign the 4473. You will see up here that the 4473 has been submitted successfully. Now from the admin's computer, they will be able to see this pending 4473. It shows up right here as the last one produced. Let's go ahead and review the 4473. It'll take you to section A where you need to make sure that each section is filled out accurately, then you can continue. On section B, this is where you will have to do either a background check or bypass the background check with a valid permit or ID. Make sure the driver's license is in here. Go ahead and add a firearm. And then press complete. As we can see, the permit is not filled out, so we cannot move forward. But let's say that we don't have a permit and we need to do a background check. If you have the ability to use Nix's Leap background check system, you can do the assisted Leap and log in to Leap from here. Once you've logged into Leap, make sure you record the response along with the NTN number and then save. We're going to press proceed and then put in an NTN. Now that our background check has been run, we can press continue or complete. Then the admin will need to sign, and the 4473 is completed. You can then print it off, and it is also stored digitally, perpetually, so that you can access it at any time. That is how you use Kiosk Mode, guys. Once again, thank you again for using TAD Software, your FFL software provider.